if you're experiencing approval delays on Kraken, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to expedite the process. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Kraken. They may have sent you a request for additional information or documentation needed to complete your approval. Step 2. Verify your account information. Log into your Kraken account and ensure that all your personal information is accurate and up to date. Inaccurate information can lead to delays in the approval process. Step 3. Submit required documents. If Kraken has requested specific documents for verification, gather and submit them promptly. Ensure that the documents are clear and meet the required specifications to avoid further delays. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you have not received any communication from Kraken and your approval is still delayed, reach out to their customer support. Provide them with your account details and inquire about the status of your approval. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. After taking the above steps, be patient as the approval process may take some time. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support to check on the progress. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any approval delays on Kraken efficiently. Remember to stay informed and proactive throughout the process.